lesson. I'm going to share my screen here again. And it's levels of organization. And we're going to use a pyramid to kind of organize it. This is a PDF, so you guys at home, there's going to be an answer sheet attached. So you can, it's going to start with the top level, and then you're going to work your way down as the levels get, the organizations get bigger, organization gets bigger, and then you'll end up with the actual organism on the bottom. You start out with the atom at the top. Okay, so we're all made of atoms. That's the smallest level of organization. Mainly carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen at this top level. The next level, you're going to have molecules. And molecules and compounds, which is just groups of atoms organized together. Again, that's chemistry. We're not learning a whole lot about that, but we do need to know that different atoms combine to make compounds and molecules. The next level below that, levels of organization, what these molecules, these form are organelles. So in the third level down will be organelles, which examples of those would be ribosomes, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, nucleus. These are all different forms of organelles that we have in our cells. And then we have the actual cell itself, which we are made of cells. We're made of trillions of cells. The cells form tissue. The forms organized together to form tissue, and the tissue forms together into organs, which would be the second to last. Organs would be like your kidneys or your heart or your liver. These are all different forms of organs. Tissue would just be the actual, so you would say your skin would be tissue, but that's also an organ also. So an example of this one and this one would be pretty much the tissue for the kidney, and this would be the kidney itself. And then the last step down here, the last level will be the organism, would be you or any creature that the different tissue created. So I got kind of start off with the atom up top. Examples of that, an atom would be carbon, hydrogen. Definition, the smallest unit of matter. The second level here below would be the molecule or compound. Would be groups of atoms. You could call that could be your definition for it. Would be how groups of atoms are put together. Your third level here would be the organelles. Again, you all know the organelles, and this would be the components. The definition for that could be the components of the atom. It can be like the organs for the atoms, the organelles, mitochondria, ribosomes. We've been working with those quite a bit. Those cells or the organelles get combined into cells. Okay, the smallest smallest unit of a person would be a cell. Then these cells combine to make tissue. Okay, so tissue is the component or the main building material for organs. And then you have the next level here, you have the organs, which example would be the heart, the kidneys, liver. Organs are the what do bodily functions for us, either purifying our blood, or removing waste products, pumping blood, digesting our food, the skin protecting us from the elements, protecting our organs and other um, uh, bodily functions. And there's, all different types of, we have all different types of organs. Pancreas produces insulin, regulate our blood sugar. And then the actual it's the organism that is the product of all the other different lower units, or the other structures that combine to make us. So that is an overview of our lesson for today, the different levels of organization.